Hi, in this video we are going to see how to download setup software and drivers to set up and manage printer HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 series. For doing it, you need to open any of your web browser in your PC like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So let me show you. So as you can see here, I am on desktop of my PC and here I am going to launch Google Chrome. After opening the browser, in address bar you need to type the website name, which I am going to type here, which is support support support.hp.com, and just press the enter key. After opening the website, you will see this type of interface here, which is official website of HP. So here you just need to scroll down. In below you will find this section which is identify your product for manuals and specific product information, and in this box you just need to type the exact printer model name for which you are going to download setup or drivers or setup software. So let me type the printer model name here. Okay, so I have typed the printer model name, and as you can see in this search result there are various results available here, but I need to select the exact printer model name for which I am looking for drivers and software. So I will select this one because this is the exact match with the printer model name. And after that, after clicking here, this page will open. Here you can see printer model name will appear, and you just need to scroll down and you can see its image. That printer will look like this. So you just need to scroll down, and here you will see software, drivers and firmware. So you just need to click here. Now this page will open. On this page you will see all drivers, and under all drivers you will see various drivers for the printer. Like first one, it is installation software and driver, which is used for print scan latest features and solutions. So this is also recommended by HP because it's a very convenient and useful application, which is HP Smart App. So you can download and install the software, and if suppose that you are facing any problem related to printer like printing or scanning issues, then you can download this software, which is HP Print and Scan Doctor, which is available for Windows device only. And if you are looking for drivers or universal fax driver, then you can download this driver, which is HP Universal Fax Driver for Windows. So this is also available for Windows device only. And if you are looking for installation software, which is used for full and basic driver and support print and scan functionality, then you can download the HP Easy Start Printer setup software. So this is also setup software, you can also download this software. And if you are looking for printer update like firmware update, then you can download this software, which is HP OfficeJet 8020 series firmware update. So in this way you can download setup software and drivers to set up and manage your printer and print documents or scan documents or troubleshoot any problem related to the printer. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.